when I was 6 years old, I remember my commercial, the it's a hot dog commercial, and then that commercial, I was dancing, like super dancing, and then that's when I know that, oh, I went viral because everywhere I go, when I was 6 years old, people will ask me, do that dance, come on. So every time they're asking me to do that specific dance, what I did sa commercial, I feel like I made it. They know me. So ever since I was a kid, that's why it's fun. Yes, it's fun, but at the same time scary because you I grew up in front of their eyes. I started when I was 6 years old, so they saw me growing up. That's why I feel like I owe them what I have right now, everyone. So I have to be responsible and I have to maintain that person, that personality, that miles that they loved since I was a child.